Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Engineering TechSton. Today is day 4 of our Python libraries series. And today we are going to automate WhatsApp and YouTube and much more with just a single library. Imagine sending a WhatsApp message to your friend without even touching your phone, or downloading a YouTube video just by typing one line of code. Sounds like hacking, right? No, it's just Python magic. Yes, only Python. And today, I'm showing you a library that can do this and much more. It is Pywhatkit. Very interesting and very easy. My favorite. Pywhatkit is a Python library that is basically your automation Swiss Army knife. It can send WhatsApp messages, do Google searches, download YouTube videos, convert images to Ascii art, and much more. All with just a couple of lines of code. Let us completely understand it on our computer screen. First of all, install this library by pip install Pywhatkit. Library is completely installed. Now import Pywhatkit as kit. We named it Kit as its nickname. First, we learn how can we send WhatsApp messages with it. Send what MSG is the function. In arguments, we will add phone number in inverted commas to which we want to send message. Due to privacy, I am going to blur it. After phone number with country code, we will put a comma, then type message. Put comma, and add the time at which you want to send message. Now it is 12:48 p.m. I want to send message at 12:50 p.m. Run it. At that time, it will automatically open WhatsApp browser. Type message and send it. Amazing, yeah. I am going to comment out this line. I want to send messages instantly without time setting. For it, we use function, send what MSG underscore instantly. In arguments, we will put only phone number full with country code and message. As we run the code, boom, message sent. Interesting. If you learned even a single word from my videos, then like, subscribe and share it. I will comment out all this. Guys, we can also search anything from browser with Python. For it, we will use only search function of Pywhatkit. You heard right. Add any word in inverted commas between parentheses. I will write my channel name, Engineering TechSton. Run the code and check the results. Oh my god, my channel is on the top. Search anything else. Python online compiler. And run. See it working. Can also show all the history of messages sent by Pywhatkit by show_history. In arguments, we will not enter anything. Run it and see the results. Comment it out or clear all this. Now we are going to take screenshot with it. To take screenshot, we use take_screenshot. To test it, let us run the code and see, captured the full screen. It also saved in the same folder. Now, let us explore more this amazing. We can also search and play YouTube videos by play on YT function. I am going to search my channel, Engineering TechSton. Run. Oh wow, fantastic. If you like it, the subscribe too. It is last function that we are going to discuss is Ascii art creation. We can convert any image to Ascii art and you can post it on social media pages. This is the image, named boy.jpeg. We are going to create its Ascii art. For it, we are going to use image to Ascii art function. Enter the URL of image separated by commas. Then enter the output file name. Run it and your art will be ready. I will upload 100 libraries video in my playlist. No other YouTuber has uploaded playlist on Python libraries. So like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.